Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the proofing in MS Word. So what does proofing means? Proofing means checking spelling and grammar, thesaurus and the word count. Word count doesn't come under a proofing, but whenever you want to print any document, at that time word count matter. So proofing contains spelling and grammar, thesaurus and the word count. So first we will see the spelling and grammar. So I have one paragraph over here which contains a some mistake, spelling mistake or the grammar mistake. So you can correct those just by using the option available in MS Word. So now here you can see that Indian is written over here and I is smaller. So the green one is your grammar mistake. Red underline means your spelling mistake. So it has two grammar mistake and two spelling mistake. First we will see about the spelling and grammar. For that you have to go to the review tab. Inside a review tab you can see here a spelling and grammar in the proofing. For spelling and grammar you have a shortcut key. If you press the F7, then directly the spelling and grammar block will open over here. Now here you can see it is showing not in dictionary. I am an Indian. So it is giving option over here, that is Indian should be written in this way. The first suggestion, if you satisfy, then just click on the change and it will get changed. Then again it is showing option over here. The for A it should be an, then change. Next one is the tradition. So the spelling mistake is over there. It is corrected and the MS Word by default gives a suggestion over there. Just select that suggestion and change. In this way, we have changed the one grammar mistake and two spelling mistakes. Next one, it is again showing one grammar mistake, that is has to be converted into have. So someone might feel that has is correct, so you can keep that also. Just click on there, ignore once and it will not change by that have. And after that it will show you the spelling and grammar check is complete. You have to click on OK. In this way you have to check the spelling and grammar in your document. Just press F7 or go to the review tab and click on the spelling and grammar. Here you can see again I am pressing the spelling and grammar and it is showing that spelling and grammar check is complete already. You have to just click OK and that is done. Next thing you have to do is the thesaurus. So what does thesaurus means? It will show you the similar meaning words which you have in your document. If you want to uh, search about the culture similar words, then you have to select the word and click on the thesaurus. Then it will give the option over here. One more option is there to search for the similar word is to right click on it and click on the synonyms. You can see here there is a multiple options they are giving us, and whichever you want you can replace your word with that. That is the use of thesaurus. So there are two ways to change the with the similar word. Just right click on it and click on the synonyms and you can get the multiple options over here, or you can select the word, go to the review tab, select the thesaurus and they will show you the list over here. So the thesaurus does means the similar words or the synonyms. Okay, next one is the word count. So whichever document you are going to give for the proofing, you must know how many words are there. So at that time you have to just click on the word count and it will show the how many pages it has, how many words it has, how many characters with no spaces, character with spaces, paragraphs and lines. So these all will be given in that word count. So it is very useful if you are going to give this document for a printing. So these are the option you need to do before giving a printing option. So proofing is must if you want to give the document for the proofing. That means spelling and grammar, thesaurus and word count. So this all things you will get in the review tab. Thank you.